Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can write a YouTube script using Deepseek. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open deepseek.com using any browser you have. Go ahead and tap on Start Now after you see this screen. As soon as you tap on it, if you have logged into your account, you will be directly headed. If you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and watch our previous videos on how you can sign into your Deepseek account. So after you see this interface, now you must give commands to Deepseek what type of YouTube video you want, the topic, and the type of videos you want. So I'm going to give you an example. So I want a YouTube video about how you can create a Facebook account. So I'll just give the command like I want a YouTube video on how to create a Facebook account. So this is a basic command. I'll just go ahead and hit enter, wait for a while, and you can see this option over here. So as you can see, it has given me some script details. So this is not the format I want. I'm just going to tell it to write a script again. So after this has been completed, I'm going to tell this that you can use all of these and you can write me a script. So as of now, you can see that it is telling me what I need to tell. But I need to recite this and I need a script. So I'll just go ahead and write me a script for it. So after I do this, it will start writing a YouTube script for it. And you can just go ahead and customize what type of things you want, what type of techie items you want to put, or the keywords you want to mention as well. So this is how easy it is to write a YouTube script using Deepseek. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.